Hey, William, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels.SUPPORT. So we're going to go ahead and go over your issue here. So unfortunately, that image you sent, I can't read it. It's just too small. That screenshot you took. It's better to attach an image if you're going to send an image for us, or it'd be even better if you had like something like to take a screenshot that would give us a link that I would be able to open. That way I could have some sort of a downloadable file that I can open at least. Because this file is just too small. So, all right, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm assuming the two northeastern consulting funnels. It's one or the other that you're having an issue with. So I was just going to go through and fill out these and see what happens and see if I can get that error. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Just give me 1 second here. All right, give me 1 second. All right, so we're going to go ahead and hit create. All right, so we got that one to work. All right, so that one works. Now let's go over here to this side here. All right, give me 1 second here. All right, so that one's not working. All right, so I'll close this one out. So this one's throwing an error. Let's see here. You got your domain. All right, so I'm just going over this. Now, I see you have your domain set here for this one. This is that 3-step consulting one here. Let me see. This was that second one. Let me just do this here. That was this one, the education. So I'm just going through your steps here. All right, so this is the one that we were in. Right here. All right, so I see you have your domain set. But back here on that domain, like if you come back here, go to your account settings, right, and go to your domain, and actually go to that. I think it was this one, right? Yeah, it was that one. Your edu. If you come back here to your default page, all right, you need to set this. It's just one thing I noticed. So you need to set this to the home page. All right, of this funnel that you're using here. So this home page needs to be set for that domain here. All right. There's that, and then also the 404 error page needs to be set. We typically recommend the same page as your default. All right, so I'm just bringing up things I notice here. I have not, I mean, if I'm in the correct funnels here, I'm not seeing the error, that you're having. I mean, I can't read it, but I'm not having any form of error pop up, okay? So I just wanted to go over this with you. That way you can kind of see what we're doing over here, looking through your funnel, and that way you can give me some feedback, see if I'm on point or not for you. Okay? All right, thanks.